Sometimes a screenshot isn't enough, maybe you're making a quick tutorial, or want to save part of a video. The good news is, recording your iPad screen is super easy. In this video, I'll show you how to do it step by step. Way 1. Screen record on iPad via built-in recording tool. Enable and add the screen recording feature into the Control Center. By clicking Settings Control Center Screen Recording Tap Plus. Open the Control Center and tap the screen recording icon, a circle with a dot inside. Before you start, turn on the microphone. If you want to record your voice or any external sound, tap Start Recording, and your iPad will begin capturing everything on screen, along with system audio. When done, tap the red bar and choose Stop the Video Saves to Photos. Way 2. Record screen on iPad via Camera app. Mirror your iPad to another device like Apple TV, Mac, or PC. Open a recording app on that device and adjust the view. Start mirroring and record. When finished, stop the recording and turn off mirroring. Way 3. Screen record on iPad via AirShou. Download AirShou from EMU4 iOS and open it. If blocked, go to Settings General Profile and Device Management AirShou. Trust to allow installation. Sign in with your own AirShou account or directly register using Facebook or Google+ account. Now, you'll see a new interface with the recording option on your iPad. Just tap on the recording icon to start the process. Note, here, you should to make sure that you have selected your device from the AirPlay list, and the mirroring option is toggled on as the below picture. Bonus tip: how to back up iPad screen recordings on PC Mac. Backing up iPad screen recordings to your computer frees space and keeps videos safe. Mobikin Assistant for iOS lets you preview, manage, and back up videos to PC or Mac quickly. No iTunes needed. Step 1. Launch the program and connect your iPad. Download and install Mobikin Assistant for iOS on your computer. Launch it and connect your iPad via USB cable. Tap Trust on your iPad if prompted. Step 2. Preview and locate screen recordings. Once connected, the program will detect your device and display all data categories. Click Videos or Camera Roll to preview your screen recordings. Step 3. Export screen recordings to computer. Select the screen recording files you want to back up and click Export on the top menu. Choose a destination folder on your PC or Mac to save them securely. That's it. Your iPad screen recordings are safe and backed up. Thanks for watching.